Good morning or good evening, it depends where are you in now. Tropical storm Grace disorganized approaching Puerto Rico. The storm is around 100 miles to the SSE of San Juan, Puerto Rico, with winds of 40 miles per hour. This picture showing the map. Grace is forecasted to pass south of Puerto Rico and cross Hispaniola tonight through Sunday night before moving along the northern coast of Cuba. Let us watch two videos. This is estimating cone of the storm. The latest cone continues to keep Grace at tropical storm status as it aims toward the Gulf late next week. Grace is forecast as strengthen over the next 36 hours before weakening from land interaction with Hispaniola and Cuba. Let us watch the videos. All these are videos on YouTube about the storm, tropical storm Grace. Many videos. Hope God bless the world and be not damaging storm. Thanks for watching. Please, if you are not subscribed in the channel, please subscribe and write a good comment to support us to continue. Also, if you like this video, you can share it with the others.